Welcome to the creation SolidWorks CADCam practice 26. Today we are going to create 3D model random part 10. So now here's the detailed drawing of the 3D model random part 10. We have the side view, front view and the top. So today I'm going to show the simplest way to create this model. You can see here both sides have the same features. So either we can draw a side of the feature, we divide it into two. We create a center line over here, just imagine. We just create this and we can mirror it to complete this model. Or we create the center solid like this and then we can create this feature and mirror it. So today I'm going to show how to do it. Let's begin with the side view features. Alright, so I'm going to create a new part. Okay, here I'm going to show how to create a new part. So click on part, click OK, and then it will create a new part over here. And then before you start the sketching, make sure you save this file into the designated folder. So this one is the practice 26. I'm going to save at folder 26. And I'm going to rename it P26, which means part 26. Alright, so let's begin with the side view. For the side view, I'm going to use the right plane. Click on new sketch. Okay, so we can see that we are going to use the side view is type of square size. So I'm going to use rectangle center rectangle command, and then I'm going to fix the center point at the origin and just create the shape. And now I'm going to give dimension here about 28, as well as the height of this also 28. Okay, now we are going to give create a chamfer over here. Either we can cut or create a chamfer. So to create the chamfer, so at the fillet option, you can see the arrow and click on the arrow and click on sketch chamfer. Once you sketch the chamfer, it will ask distance to distance or angle to distance. So when we look at the detailed drawing, it's using the distance to distance, which means 7, 7. Here they didn't mention any angle for it. So we are going to use distance to distance and then change it to 7. So now you can see you're going to select this two line and it will automatically create the chamfer and then click OK. So we are already create the side view part. Exit sketch, go to features, and then using extrude base, I'm going to use the command mid plane, and then I'm going to extrude about 28. Okay, click OK. So now we already create the center model. So here we are going to cut over the center, and then we are going to create the point or the feature on the left and right. To cut the center part, so for that I'm going to create a reference plane. And then I'm going to create the reference plane using this face and then this face to get the plane over the center, and then click OK. So click on the plane, right click, create a sketch. Now we are going to draw a sketch over here. For that I'm going to use center rectangle as well, and then I'm going to make sure the center point at the origin and just drag it until the edge over here and then click. So you can see this line and this line already coincide with the edges. So we are going to give the width of this is 14 mm. So our sketch is fully defined. Just exit the sketch, go to extrude cut, and then you are going to change the direction and then go to command to all. Click OK. So now you can see that we already cut the center part of the model. So lastly we are going to create the feature over here and then going to mirror here. Okay, for that I'm going to use this plane over the below, and then I'm going to use the line command. Before that I'm going to create a center line from here to here. Alright, so once I create the center line, I'm going to create a midpoint line, and I'm going to take the center line point as a midpoint, and then I'm going to draw like this. So make sure this line is horizontal, and then this point and this point are vertically related. So you will get something like this, and give the dimension about, you can see that is 42. So click on the center point and the center origin. Oh, before that you need to create a center line over here too, because if you click on the center point and center origin, you have to divide the dimension into half. If you select the center point and the line over here, you can straight away, if you move the cursor over the line, you can see you can straight away give the relation to that. Click OK, and then just make sure the center point and the distance between the center point and the lower line is 14. Alright, and then the radius of the circle is 7. Okay, if you can see that this blue line is still not valid, so just click on the point and drag to the edge, so it's automatically will coincide and the sketch is fully defined. Now using the mirror entities, just click on the mirror entities, and entities to mirror, just click on the gray area, shaded area, and then mirror about, click on this line. So automatically the sketch over here, it will change here. So what is the advantage of this mirror is, if you change anything over here, automatically the mirror item will change itself. So it can easily in future we can manage to easily change the dimension of the features for not everything. Just one view change, everything will change automatically. So now I exit the sketch, extrude base. So make sure we are using blind command and then change the direction. So the extrude point until 7 mm and then click OK. So within 3 simple steps we complete the sketch. Like this, we complete the sketch. So we can only mirror this point, or we just draw this and this one we cut in separate into half. Let me show you. Okay, just like this we create a part like this, 1 2 3, and then mirror overall the feature. So that's all for this video. For more videos, stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.